Sir Akam.
Hello po.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening.
Good evening po.
First of all, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this wonderful tournament, the Palawan Open, Gentry Open, Mr. Bobby Castro. Let's give him a big round of applause. And of course, the director, Mr. Bobby Mangunay. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Bobby. And of course, PSC, headed by our PSC Chair, Mr. Gregorio. Palakpakan po natin siya. And members of the Board of Trustees of PhilDA, we have here the members, among them are Ms. Dayan Castillejo, palakpakan po natin. Ms. April Toledo, nandiyan po siya. And of course, our Secretary General, we have Mayor John Ray Chanco. Palakpakan po natin siya. Second, I'd like to congratulate all the winners. Our own, because he's also half Filipino, and he said he's interested to join the Philippine team. So,
Yes!
so he's going to work on his Philippine passport so he can play in the Southeast Asian Games for the Philippines.
Yes!
And also the Davis Cup. Hopefully, that our champ, Mr. Christopher Papa, palakpakan po natin. And of course, the finalist, our very own, our number one ranked player in the men's division in the Philippines, my idol, Mr. AJ Lim. Palakpakan po natin. And of course, to the winners in the women's division, Miss Madis, palakpakan po natin, Madis. And the finalists, Cappadocia, and the rest of the winners and the participants. Rest assured that the PhilDA and PSC are in full support of the Philippine Tennis Association and the Philippine tennis as a whole. And number one evidence to that is our rank number 38 in the world in the women's division in WTA, Miss Alex Iyala. Palakpakan po natin siya. And she truly is our role model, especially for the youngsters who would like to pursue tennis as a career. So to all the winners and to the sponsors, especially Mr. Bobby Castro, congratulations, a great tournament. A pleasant evening to everyone.